Today we talk about how can you find your traffic overview on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so then you click here on analytics, you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on traffic overview here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. In here you will find all traffic overview here you have in this list. I have nothing here yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.